Today we will discuss parts of body. Number 1. Head. Head is the uppermost part of the body that contains brain, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and other facial features. Neck. The part of body that connects the head to the shoulders and contain cervical spine. This is the neck. Shoulders. The area where upper arm joins the body, forming the outer sides of upper torso. Arms. The upper limbs of the body that extends from the shoulders to the hands. These are arms. Elbows. The joint where the upper and lower arms meet, allowing for bending and straightening of the arm. These are elbows. Forearms. The part of the arm between the elbow and wrist. This is the forearm. Wrists. The joint connecting the forearm to the hand, enabling movement and flexibility. This is the wrist. Hands. The end parts of the arms beyond the wrists, consisting of palm, fingers, and thumb, used for grasping and manipulating objects. These are the hands. Fingers. The digits on the hand, typically 5 in number, that enable fine motor skills and gripping. Chest. The area between the neck and the abdomen, housing the heart, lungs, and other vital organs. This is the chest. Abdomen. The region of the body located below the chest and above the pelvis, containing various organs such as stomach, liver, intestines, and kidneys. In this figure, this is the head, this region is the thorax, and this is the abdomen region. Belly button or navel. The depressed area on the abdomen marking the spot where the umbilical cord was attached during fetal development. This is the belly button. Hips. The area on each side of the body formed by the bones of the pelvis. This is the hips. Thighs. The part of the leg between the hips and knees. These are thighs. Knees. The joint that allows the legs to bend and straighten, connecting the thighs to the lower legs. Calves. The back part of the lower leg, located below the knee and above the ankle. Ankles. The joints connecting the lower legs to the feet, allowing for the movement and stability. Feet. The end part of the legs consisting of the ankles, soles and toes used for standing, walking and balance. Toes. The digits on the feet, typically 5 in number, providing balance and support during walking and running. These are the toes. Hair. The thread-like strands that grow from the scalp, head, and other parts of the body. Forehead, the part of the face above the eyes and between the hairline and eyebrows. This portion is the forehead. Eyes, the sensory organs responsible for vision, allowing us to perceive light, shapes, colors, and depth. Eyebrows, the patches of the hair above the eyes that help protect them from sweat, debris, and sunlight. These are the eyebrows. Eyelashes, the short hairs that grow from the edges of the eyelids, helping to protect the eyes by preventing foreign objects from entering. These are the eyelashes. Ears, the organ of hearing and balance located on the sides of the head. Nose, the organ used for smelling and breathing, located in the center of the face. Mouth, the opening in the face used for speaking, eating, and drinking. Lips, the fleshy, movable structures that surround the opening of the mouth. Teeth, hard structures embedded in the jaw used for biting, chewing, and breakdown of the food. Tongue, the muscular organ in the mouth that aids in tasting, swallowing, and speaking. Chin, the protruding part of the lower face below the mouth is called the chin. Cheeks, the fleshy parts on the sides of the face below the eyes and between the nose and ear. These are the cheeks. Jaw, the bone structure that supports the lower teeth and allows for the opening and closing of the mouth. Skull, the bony structure that encloses and protects the brain as well as supporting other facial features. Spine, the flexible column of the bone running along the back, providing support and protecting the spinal cord. This is the spine. Ribs, the curved bones that form the rib cage, protecting the chest cavity and vital organs like heart and lungs. These are the ribs. Lungs, the pair of organs responsible for respiration, located within the chest, allowing oxygen to enter the bloodstream and carbon dioxide to be expelled. Heart, the muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and organs. Stomach, the organ located in the upper abdomen, responsible for digestion and storing food. Liver, the large organ in the upper abdomen that performs various essential functions including detoxification, metabolism, and bile production. Thank you for watching this video.